You guys just hear, yeah. What's going on, everybody? My name is Jordan, aka Anonymous Seconds, and today I'm going to show you some things that I actually got last Sunday that I still haven't listed. I've been very busy with work and other stuff, so I haven't had time to really go out and get a bunch of stuff or list it if I have. So I've been unlisting and selling similar. It works. Alright, anyways, don't mind the mess around me. Like I said, I gotta clean this stuff up. But it was Black Tag Dollar Day. I found a Steel and Jelly button-up shirt. I've just sold a polo shirt of Steel and Jelly for like 10 bucks. So turn $1 into 10. I'll take that. I've never heard of this brand. This brand is Devin and Jones Sport. It's like a golf shirt type thing. It seems to be very well made, so I was hoping that it was good. I did not realize that there was a Heinz embroidery. That's actually not that bad. I don't think anybody would really mind because it's Heinz. But like I said, never heard of it. We'll see how much it's worth. I didn't even look it up. It was $1, so I picked it up. Alright, so anytime I see Ralph Lauren and it's like in a really good colorway like this, I pick them up. Especially for $5, because you can usually get rid of these for, you know, 20, 25, especially if it's a good size. This is an XL. XL and up are probably the best sizes, but this is a very good colorway. So I picked it up. Hopefully I can get about 20, 25 out of it. This is a vintage Big Mac, like kind of like chambray work shirt type thing. This is from like J.C. Penney, I think, back in the day or something. But it sells good for me, so I always pick them up. Had a pair of pants that I sold. Had a couple shirts that I sold. They always sell well, so I'm hoping I can get 15, 20 bucks out of this at the least. Again, Big Mac. Now this is actually a pretty good one. This is Izod Lacoste. It is vintage. It has the logo on the chest. It's a very nice sweater. Very red V-neck. I can't remember exactly because it's been a week, but I'm pretty sure they were on like the $30 to $40 side. I sold a couple of them last year and they sold very well, so I'm hoping for the same this year. This is a pair of vintage Levi 569 jeans. These were made in Mexico. I know there is a hole in the pocket and these are a little torn up, but trust me, 569 loose, straight, made in Mexico, I'm pretty sure. Yep, made in Mexico. These will sell, and I know they will because I've sold a bunch of them. I always pick up Levi's, especially if they're vintage. These aren't like the crazy vintage ones. These aren't the $100,000 jeans that just got sold. And I don't know if you guys know that, but there was a pair of Levi's. They were like the oldest known pair of Levi's. Sold for $100,000 at auction. If you find vintage Levi's, pick them up. You never know. Especially if they look really, really old, always pick them up. The ones that were like made when they first started, you can get tons of money for. And as you go, the price gets lower. But vintage Levi's are really good to pick up. I don't know if everybody knows that. I always find good vintage Levi's at the stores around me. I know there's other resellers looking for stuff like that, but they don't ever pick up the Levi's. I always pick them up. So make sure you look out for the vintage Levi's. I'm running out of breath because I'm trying not to breathe really hard so you guys don't hear me. And it's getting hard to do. So I don't want to breathe really hard and you guys just hear, yeah. You know, I can't stand that. And I don't know how much this phone picks up. Usually, back in the day when I made videos, all you could hear was me breathing when I was showing you something. So I'm trying not to do that now. I think the highest pair I've sold, they were brand new. With tag, they were from like the 70s or 80s. I sold them for over $100. So I always pick up Levi's. I love them. I found this Nashville Predators kind of jersey-like shirt. I picked it up because it was only $1. And you know, this stuff, when you buy it at the store, like at the game and stuff like that, because that's really the only place you really see it, especially if you're in like a smaller town, you pay pretty good price for it. So I always pick up the jerseys like this, especially hockey jerseys, because I can get a little bit out of them because people don't want to pay, you know, the 30 bucks at the store, 40 bucks. I'll sell it for about 15 and it should sell hopefully pretty quick because NHL just started. I'm sure most of you know about Untuck It, but just in case you don't, there it is. This is a size large. It's a good colorway. It's like gray and blue, plaid, but this thing should go for right around, I don't know, about 20. That's what I was getting for them. It's been a while since I found one, honestly, because I haven't been out as much. But really, I've been getting out of Untuckit shirts. I just sold a polo actually. Now that I remember, it was a long sleeve polo. I sold that for like 15 or 16, but it was just a plain black one. This one should go for a little bit more. I'm saying about 20 bucks. Now I'm just getting back into this video thing, so I'm sorry if it's a little shaky or, you know, I go on and on. I find myself doing that a lot when I do these videos. I'm trying to get, you know, accustomed to being back in front of a camera, looking at myself, or, you know, looking at a camera lens, talking to you guys. It is what it is, and I'm going to get back to this because I actually love making videos. I love talking about reselling and other things that we, you know, might get into. But for today, that's probably it. I just wanted to show you what I got over last weekend. I had to cut that short because I had to let my son in the house. He got off of school. I didn't realize it was already 3 p.m. So that's the video. I just want to show you what I got, kind of go over how it's been the last couple months. It hasn't been very good. We're going to make that better. We're going to keep making videos. Hopefully, I'm not going to promise anything. If anybody does enjoy these, I appreciate you. You can only get better. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.